Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro 8 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings, then click on System section and tap on Display. Following that, scroll down just a bit and click on Scale. Now you need to click on Text Size and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. When you're ready, in order to save your changes, tap on Apply next to the slider and wait. As you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!